War doesn't begin with blood. It begins with impossible choices. It steals homes, breaks families, and forces good lions to carry burdens no one should ever bear. Tonight, love is tested. Old wounds are reopened. A brother is haunted by the day his childhood ended. A king chooses hunger over mercy, believing starvation can accomplish what armies cannot. A queen in waiting carries a secret she isn't ready to speak aloud. And beneath a silent moon, one unspoken truth, one fragile possibility, could change the future of two kingdoms forever. Because some wars are fought with claws, others with sacrifice. And the heaviest burden a leader carries isn't the crown. It's knowing that every decision could save a kingdom while destroying the people they love most.
The Lion Guard, Ashes of the Tree. Season 1, Episode 6, Bonds and Burdens. Opening scene, the border. The moon hangs low, quiet, still. At their usual place, Kion and Rani sit side by side. No tension tonight, just peace. Rani, sometimes I wonder what it would be like. Kion glances at her. Rani, if I just came back with you, to the Pride Lands, to stay. Kion doesn't answer right away. Kion, I'd love that. A pause. Kion, but you know what's happening over there. If you leave, we lose everything we know. And your father, he looks at her. Kion, that gives him a reason to attack us directly. Silence. Kion, I love you, Rani, but we can't risk that. Rani lowers her gaze slightly. Rani, I know. A beat. Rani, and Kion, I don't know anything for sure yet. She hesitates. Rani, but I've been feeling different. Kion listens closely. Rani, and if it's what I think it is. She looks at him. Rani, then we really can't afford to lose this war. Kion's expression shifts. He understands the weight, even if nothing is confirmed yet. Nothing said for sure, but Kion knows what she means. There is a chance she is pregnant, and that would change everything. They lean into each other. A quiet nuzzle. No words needed. Then, they separate. Two leaders. Walking back into war. Scene, memory of brotherhood. Back in the Pride Lands. Kion walks slowly. Thinking. He spots Roland resting near the watering hole. Kion pauses. And then, flashback. Years ago. Two cubs run through the grass. Ha 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 ha. Playing. Kion and Roland. Carefree. Until. Smoke. Shouting. Roland's parents stand their ground. Tree of Life guards approach. Guard. Bow. They don't. A moment. Then, they're gone. Young Roland watches. Frozen. Broken. Scene, Pride Rock. Roland sits alone. Shaking. Simba and Nala stand nearby. Uncertain. They already have a family. Responsibilities. Then, Kion steps forward. Young Kion. He can stay with us. Simba hesitates. Young Kion. Please, he doesn't have anyone. A long pause. Nala looks at Simba. Simba exhales. And nods. And flashback. Scene, watering hole. Kion walks up and lays beside Roland. No tension. No war. Just Silence. Then, Roland. Took you long enough. Kion chuckles slightly. Kion. Had things to do. A pause. They talk. Not about war. Not about Sashi. Just old memories. Stories. Jokes. Like brothers again. For the first time in months. Scene. The reveal. Later that night, the full team gathers. Kion stands in front of them. Serious. Kion, there's something you need to know. They listen. Kion, Ronnie has been helping us. Murmurs spread. Warrior. The princess? Kion, she's the reason we know what we know. She's the reason we've been ahead. Skepticism. Roland. And it's worked. Silence. They trust Kion, even if they don't fully trust her. Scene. Pride Rock. Kion stands alone, looking over his kingdom. Footsteps behind him. He turns. Simba. First real conversation since the coronation. Simba. You've changed things. Kion says nothing. Simba. For years, we lived under them. Followed their rules. Called it survival. A pause. Simba. I'm done with that. Kion looks at him. Simba. I want in. Kion is caught off guard. Kion. You mean that? Simba. I should have stood up sooner. A beat. Simba. But I'm standing now. Kion smiles slightly. Kion. Then welcome to the fight. Scene. The skies. Above the lands. Eagles and hawks sweep across the sky. Driving off Tree of Life scouts. Aerial dominance. The Pride Lands' hidden advantage. A brief but decisive skirmish in the air. The skies are cleared. Scene. The king reacts. Back at the Tree of Life. A messenger reports. Messenger. My king. The skies. Cleared by Pride Lands birds. Sashi's expression darkens. Sashi. So they control the air now. A pause. Then, Sashi. Then we take what they cannot protect. He turns to his second in command. Sashi. A convoy leaves the Pride Lands for the Backlands. A beat. Sashi. Destroy it. His voice lowers. Sashi. Starve their allies. Break their loyalty. The commander nods. Final scene. Ronnie's resolve. Ronnie stands nearby. Silent. Listening. Her eyes narrow. Ronnie. That's not happening. A pause. For the first time, she's not just reacting. She's planning ahead of both sides.